Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System, UAS, is a highly advanced combat drone designed for precision strikes and tactical missions in complex environments. Built for lethal operations, the Rogue One combines cutting-edge technology with autonomous capabilities, enabling it to carry out missions with minimal human intervention. It is equipped with high-resolution sensors and targeting systems, allowing it to identify and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. The drone's stealth design and powerful payload options make it effective for offensive operations, while its adaptability allows it to operate in diverse terrains and conditions. The Rogue One is a crucial asset in modern warfare, providing lethal precision, reduced risk to personnel, and enhanced mission flexibility. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is a highly advanced long-range, heavy strategic bomber known for its stealth capabilities. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-2 is designed to penetrate heavily defended enemy airspace undetected, thanks to its radar-evading shape and advanced stealth technology. With a range of over 6,000 nautical miles without refueling, the B-2 can deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons with precision. Its sophisticated avionics and ability to carry a wide variety of munitions make it a versatile asset in global military operations. The B-2's design emphasizes low observability, allowing it to evade enemy radar systems, making it one of the most effective and elusive bombers in modern air warfare. The Mobile Communications Center, MCC-1, is a fully equipped, mobile command unit designed to provide reliable and secure communication in critical situations. Built for rapid deployment, MCC-1 serves as a central hub for coordinating operations in the field, offering real-time connectivity across various communication channels, including satellite, radio, and internet networks. Its advanced technology ensures uninterrupted communication in remote or emergency environments. The MCC-1 is ideal for disaster response, military operations, and large public events, as it enables seamless coordination between on-ground teams and command centers. With its robust design, MCC-1 provides flexibility and mobility, ensuring essential communication infrastructure is available wherever it's needed. The Aeronautics Orbiter 2 ISR is a high-performance, tactical unmanned aerial system, UAS, designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Compact and lightweight, the Orbiter 2 offers extended flight endurance and operates effectively in various environments, making it ideal for real-time data collection on the battlefield. Equipped with advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras, it provides detailed imagery and live video feeds, giving operators crucial situational awareness. Its quiet operation and low visual signature make it highly discreet, perfect for both military and security missions. The Orbiter 2 ISR is easily deployable, offering versatility and reliability for fast-paced tactical operations. The Dogo Combat Robot is a revolutionary tactical robot designed for military and law enforcement missions. Compact and highly maneuverable, Dogo excels in navigating tight spaces and urban environments. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, it provides real-time video and data, boosting situational awareness for operators. Its robust design allows it to be fitted with various payloads, including both non-lethal and lethal options, enhancing its versatility in different scenarios. Operated remotely, the Dogo can perform dangerous tasks safely from a distance. Whether used for reconnaissance, crowd control, or combat, the Dogo Combat Robot represents a significant leap forward in tactical robotics, offering unparalleled capabilities for modern security and military operations. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for strategic reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the Global Hawk offers extensive capabilities with its advanced sensors and onboard technology. It can fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet, providing a broad and detailed view of large areas for extended periods. Its sophisticated radar and imaging systems deliver high-resolution, real-time data essential for intelligence gathering, border patrol, and maritime surveillance. The Global Hawk's ability to operate autonomously and its long endurance make it a critical asset for both military and civilian applications, providing valuable insights and enhancing situational awareness in various operational environments. The Seagull USV, Unmanned Surface Vehicle, is an advanced maritime robot designed for a variety of naval and security applications. Developed for autonomous operations, the Seagull USV offers impressive versatility and functionality on the water. It is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, including radar, cameras, and GPS, allowing it to perform real-time surveillance, reconnaissance, and monitoring tasks. The Seagull USV is ideal for operations such as border patrol, anti-piracy missions, and environmental monitoring. Its robust design ensures reliable performance in diverse sea conditions, and its autonomous capabilities enable it to carry out missions with minimal human intervention. The Seagull USV represents a significant advancement in maritime robotics, providing valuable support for naval and security operations.